Hey guys, Jack Gleason here with startuptrading.com, and in this video I'm going to be going over two different trades I took. One is in the ES and one is in the YM. We're going to be talking about when to hold trades or why to hold trades. Now, one of the things you'll hear, and if you've studied trading, whether it's from me or Jesse Livermore or somebody extremely famous in the history of trading, is people love to say hold on to your winners. Well, that's such a oversimplification of what you actually need to do, or when do you hold on to your winners, because there's many trades that we all get into that are winners at some point and turn into losers, right? You've been there before, I've been there before. I'm actually going to place an order to sell this, but my exit here on this ES is 44.07 quarter. Now if we go to the chart, that was initially not my exit. That is actually not where I had initially planned on selling. I had initially planned on selling at right around 88.5, so let me blow this up here. And the reason I decided to hold past 88.5 is as we touch this low, there's two things I was looking at here that made me hold on to this for a longer period of time. One is the speed at which we came out of lows. I will be releasing this indicator soon, so keep checking my YouTube videos for that release. But this is the startup trading expansion indicator, and what it does is it highlights 5-minute or really any time frame bars if you expand above what is 1.5 times the average true range. And the average true range is calculated by adding the previous 14 bars together and then dividing by 14, and that gives you the ATR. But anytime we go above 1.5 ATR, the bar turns yellow. So out of the low, so this is the low of the day, and the next bar is an ATR expansion. If you have a high of the day and then an ATR expansion, or a low of the day or the ATR expansion, that most likely means we're not going to see that level again, because you've made a new low on the prior bar and you're instantly expanding higher. So I saw the speed out of that move with the help of my indicator that I've built. And then as we were coming up here, 88.5, now we didn't really have an ATR expansion bar here, but you can see we're just chopping around, overlapping bars. We touch this level I have, and then we rock it, all right? And then we rock it. So when we started moving up, I like to give it a little time. And when I saw this bar, another expansion bar, I figure, well, that's probably not going to be the high of the day. We're probably going to continue up inside of an extension series, is exactly what we did. And then I'm looking at that target. So this is the important factor, guys, when you're getting into trade. In order to hold winners, winners need to be moving your way and moving your way quickly. The faster the market moves your way after getting in, the more likely it is that that's a good position. If you're in a position and you're sideways in that position for 45 minutes, an hour and a half, probably not the best entry. It doesn't mean it's not going to go your way, but your time of entry is not fantastic. So that's just something always to keep in mind when you're trading now. And if you look at the YM, which is that other trade I'm in, my YM target is all the way up here at 34,981. Okay. Now that is going to be up here, right up here. Once again, this was my support level from this morning's trade plan. If you're in the startup trading chat room, you get my morning trade plan video every single day where I go over support and resistance levels. One of my favorite times of day for an entry to trade is 9:55. I explain that in further detail in my masterclass, but at 9:55, that was the low of the day. Within 4 or 5 minute bars, we have an extensionary bar to the upside. Now, initially, my exit here too was right around 34,800. But as we exploded up here at 10:15, and then again at 11:40, I figured this might be a day where I could hold my trade for an extended period of time. So that's what I've done. I've been able to maximize my profits on a day like today by holding my winners, but I'm choosing to hold my winners only because they're moving the direction I want them to go fast. And that's really the lesson of this video. If your entries are moving your way and your way quickly, it's important to pay attention to those positions. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment below if you have a question. I'll get back to you. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.